Okay, we're taking the notes. Who did what? What'd you do today?
Everything.
What do you mean everything?
Animal trades. All the plumbing, me.
This is me, my job. Okay, beautiful. It's good. This is here, my job. Beautiful. Guys cut the concrete. Look at that. Wow. Okay.
Whoa, you did that right there.
What's that?
That's crispy.
Oh, they're a little bit crooked. Toilet, sink, shower. Let's go. We got it done. Here, toilet, shower, sink. Let's go. Toilet, shower, sinks. Let's go. Everything's done. Guys, this is some effort took to get this done.